Teaching with Chatta is extremely simple. Every activity can become a story, a description, an explanation. Chatta supports language development by linking images with modelled language and oral rehearsal. With the children, teachers add images to a Chatta storyboard and then record themselves telling the story step by step. Children are then ready to join in as the teacher tells the story again, missing out words so the children can call out. The pictures act as cues as the children take turns to tell each other the story image by image. The children compose their own sentences and choose their own words and phrases. The visual modelling helps the children turn their thoughts into words. The children are then ready to tell the story to the class, both with pictures visible to help and without. All Chatta content created at school or nursery can be shared with families, and new Chatta stories can be made by families at home, strengthening storytelling and explanation skills.